invite you to stand as a symbol of loyalty, reverence, and solidarity to our Jamaican national flag. During the drum roll, just during the drum roll. Please stand. On August 6, 1962, at this very same spot, inside this then newly created National Stadium, the newly created Jamaican flag was hoisted for the very first time. Please, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all, let us join together to symbolically recreate that moment as a salute to Jamaica, land we love. Let us join in singing our national anthem, led by the Ashe Ensemble.
Justice to be yours forever. Jamaica as we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica as we love. Teach us true respect for all. Stories born to duties call, strengthen us the weak to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth, beyond forever, Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love.
Happy Independence, Jamaica. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may be seated. At this time, the Guard of Honor will prepare for the march past, followed by the uniformed groups, and then the exit of the combined massed bands and drums.
One pace forward march. Guard of Honor will form 3 ranks from 2 ranks. Form 3 ranks. Guard of Honor in close order. Inward just. Shoulder arms. Move to the right and trace. Right turn. Right. Wide left. Quick march. Number 1 division. Wide left.
The sound of the swing march as the Guard of Honor formed by the Department of Correctional Services wheels left in preparation for the eyes right. The final salute as they exit the field. They can be justly proud having participated in mounting of a ceremonial Guard of Honor on this, the 63rd anniversary of Jamaica's independence celebrations. 50 years, the Department of Correctional Services has served the country of Jamaica. They are followed by members of the uniformed groups, the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force, the JCCF, the Boys Brigade, then the brigade, then the Scouts Association of Jamaica, After the Scouts Association of Jamaica, we will have the Jamaica Red Cross. Then we will have the Girls Guides, the Royal Mission Cadet Corps, the National Inter-School Brigade, the Pathfinders, the Ocean Blue Jamaica Marine Corps, and finally, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to exit the field is the combined mass bands and drums of the 63rd Independence Grand Gala, comprising the Jamaica Military Band, the Jamaica Regiment Band, the Jamaica Constabulary Force Band, the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force Band, the Corps of Drums of the Jamaica Regiment, and the Corps of Drums of the Department of Correctional Services. Ladies and gentlemen, it is fitting for a rousing round of applause for our uniformed troops who performed at our 63rd Independence Grand Gala this afternoon. Whilst they exit the parade grounds, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this concludes the ceremonial aspect of our Grand Gala celebrations. Stay tuned, stand by, remain in your positions as you will be treated to the displays, demonstrations, music, songs, and dance of a truly happy people celebrating 63 years of independence.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We now direct your attention to the main stage as we prepare you to experience the rhythm and ceremonial precision of the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, Corps of Drums. Originally formed in March 1996, with approximately 25 correctional officers from various institutions, the Corps of Drums was re-established in September 2014 under the leadership of Commissioner Retired Brigadier Raj Mason, with the guidance of our Director of Music, Mr. Albert Sean Ferd. The DCS is a cornerstone of Jamaica's national security and public safety, and a national leader in rehabilitation and reintegration. Charged with the responsibility of securing, supervising, rehabilitating, and reintegrating offenders, the DCS is dedicated to restoring lives and building a safer, stronger Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, the Corps of Drums of the Department of Correctional Services. At the heart of its mission is to transform lives for a safer Jamaica. These are the men and women of the DCS, including the correctional officers who serve not only as custodians of safety, but as mentors, protectors, and agents of change. Their core duties include maintaining safety and security, delivering effective rehabilitation,
Me have couple, I'm afraid.
Their core duties, ladies and gentlemen, include maintaining safety and security, delivering effective rehabilitation, safeguarding life and property, supporting the welfare of all in their care. Their presence is not only operational, it is transformational. This year marks a historic milestone. It is their 50th anniversary, 50 years since the formal establishment of the Department of Correctional Services. On April 25, 1975, the Jamaica Prison Service, the Probation Service, and the approved schools were united, signaling a national shift from punishment to rehabilitation, from confinement to second chances. Today, the DCS stands tall as a model of progressive corrections, grounded in the belief that every life holds the potential for change. Today, we're going to observe as the DCS is going to display. They're going to take the field in a series of demonstrations and symbolic formations. Demonstrating how correctional officers are trained to manage high-risk situations within correctional facilities. In moments of disruption, these officers are trained to act swiftly and decisively, to restrain, control, and de-escalate. The goal is simple yet vital: to protect life, prevent injury, and maintain order. The Department of Correctional Services celebrating 50 years.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Today they will present several different formations, including the arrowhead formation, a striking symbol of focus, discipline, and forward momentum. It represents the DCS stepping boldly into a new era under the visionary leadership of Brigadier Raj Mesa.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Honoring the birth of the department, today the DCS operates 10 correctional and remand centers across 5 parishes. This includes 7 adult facilities and 3 juvenile institutions, as well as the Howard Pre-Release Hotel. The DCS also manages 16 probation offices island-wide. Celebrating 50 years of national service, the DCF. As the formation prepares to exit the field, let us salute the brave men and women of the Department of Correctional Services who walk the line each day to protect, serve, and uplift those entrusted to their care. From the drivers who keep the operations moving, to the probation aftercare officers, rehabilitation managers, farm managers, and case welfare managers who guide reintegration. From the teachers, instructors, and counselors who educate and inspire, to the doctors, dietitians, pharmacists, and medical staff who take care of the health and well-being of the inmates. And of course, to our correctional officers, the steadfast backbone of the service, we thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Department of Correctional Services, 50 years of excellence in securing, rehabilitating, and reintegrating lives for a safer Jamaica. From the DCF to our beloved nation, Jamaica, happy independence. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, for the very first time, we present a new campaign advertisement for the Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, featuring one of Jamaica's finest ambassadors. Please direct your eyes to the